Usually around this time in the evening, all college campuses are closed. But of course, it's election time, something that you can make out by all the chaos around this campus of Bhagat Singh College, all the election pamphlets strewn around. And the question really everyone's asking, because you have all the top leaders of all political parties tweeting and talking about the polls this year. So why have campus elections suddenly gained national importance? That's what we'll be talking about. We have the AAP, which is the new entrant this time in the campus elections. We of course have NSUI and the ABVP candidates. We'll be speaking to them in just a bit. First, my colleague Snigdha just brings to you some of the things which aren't going according to rule book.
The stage is all set for Delhi University Students' Union election. This time a new entrant, Chhatra Yuva Sangharsh Samiti, the student body of Aam Aadmi Party, is also contesting elections. It's making it a triangular election between ABVP, NSUI as well as CYSS. But one thing is common between all of them. They all are violating poll conduct laid down by the Linder Committee. Now, Linder Committee has two guidelines very seriously. One, that a candidate can only spend 5,000 rupees on campaigning. And secondly, no digitally printed posters or placards this time, only handmade. But let me show you a wall which is full of digitally printed posters and pamphlets all along this North Campus street. The street is full of pamphlets which have been distributed by students campaigning. And also there have been big hoardings and posters of various political parties. ABVP, NSUI as well as CYSS have been campaigning with big placards. There's a heavy police presence also to ensure that peace and calm is maintained on campus during this election. But a key question, has CYSS lost out on a key opportunity to portray itself differently, because they also have been using both money as well as muscle power this election. With camera person Mohammad Mursaleen, Snigdha Basu for NDTV.
So our first talking point really is what's at stake in these student polls. We have Amrita Dhawan of NSUI, we have Raghav Chadha of AAP, and of course representing the new student wing which is participate this year. And you know, we also have some young candidates here who are from Bhagat Singh College. Now I just want to start with you, Raghav, because AAP has, for the first time, it's going to participate over here. The thing is, which everyone is saying, is that they expected you to be a party with a difference. And yet, they're saying all the things which all other parties are doing, you're doing it the same way. Money, power being seen. Why is that?
No, in fact, on the contrary, Sunitra, the Aam Aadmi Party student wing, which is putting up a panel of candidates this time around in the upcoming DUSO elections, is challenging the money power, muscle power and the corrupt practices that have been used and have been associated with student politics all throughout. And one of the core, objectives of us getting into student politics is to clean it and make sure that all this negativity surrounded by it is dispelled. Okay. That is one of the, the primary reasons why we are entering student politics.
Okay, I just wanted to show our viewers certain things. Now, this is the NSUI pamphlet. This is the one brought out by our people who are contending. And this is the one by ABVP. Look at this, take a good look at this and this. Why am I showing you all of this? There's another one of AAP that I have over here, which I've collected. Look at this. The thing is, according to student elections are supposed to be conducted by, according to the Lindo Committee guidelines. The guidelines say that no candidate should be spending more than 5,000 rupees. Second thing, why am I showing you this? That they should be hand-printed, handwritten posters, not printed ones like this. And yet, all over, if you look around the campus, they're all printed. Amrita Dhawan, the AAP posters are just shown, NSUI, ABVP, all of them are like that. Why is it so? Why is everybody flouting? I don't see even one handwritten one.
First of all, these are not our posters. What happens
well,
in
we have yours
politics?
here.
No, what happens in student politics is
NSUI
that
right
your
here.
opponents try to print these posters and they try to refuse you. First thing is that. Second is, CYSS has made this election so expensive.
They've made it expensive.
Yeah, they made it expensive. Have you seen Mr. Kejriwal's hoarding all over Delhi on the bus stands, on the unipoles, saying give vote to DUSO elections? I've never seen. I also had a party who was ruling in Delhi for last 15 years. I've never seen a Delhi chief minister intervening so directly in a students' union election. I mean, are they spending taxpayers' money?
Yeah.
You know, from Delhi taxpayers, they're taking the money and they're spending in the Delhi University
So
elections.
ABVP
What's the
wasn't
logic?
doing
I
it.
don't understand
ABVP
that.
wasn't doing it.
No, it's
Because they won last time. You're saying money power has only come in with that?
after Lingdo Commission, there was a lot of regulation, there was a lot of control.
Okay.
And we actually did a lot of control in this campaigns and all.
Yeah.
And we took note of those things which were not required. But this election, you'll see that after 7 years, it is completely changed. After 7 years, you can see.
Rohit, do you also agree that it's only AAP to blame? I mean, I want you to respond as well. ABVP, the maximum, so many posters which I see, which are there as well, which are all printed. They are not handwritten. Why are you flouting these rules?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं एक बात क्लियर करना चाहूँगा कि हमारा मुकाबला इस बार मुद्दों को लेकर हम लोग लड़ रहे हैं। हमारा किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से, किसी राजनीतिक संगठन से लड़ाई नहीं है। बहुत से राजनीतिक संगठन है जो इस बार चुनाव में कूदे हुए हैं, लेकिन हमारी लड़ाई है मुद्दों को लेकर। पिछली बार भी हम लोगों ने मुद्दों को लेकर लड़ाई लड़ी थी और लंबी लड़ाई लड़ी थी। FIUP को लेकर हम लोगों ने एक लंबी जंग लड़ी और उसी के इस परिणाम स्वरूप पिछली बार हम बड़े मार्जिन से विद्यार्थी परिषद को 4 सीटों पे जीत मिली। और इस बार भी हम मुद्दों को लेकर, चाहे वो महिला सुरक्षा का मुद्दा हो, चाहे गरीब स्टूडेंट जो बिहार से या नॉर्थ ईस्ट से आता है या देश के अलग अलग कोनों से आता है, उनको हॉस्टल्स नहीं मिलते हैं, हॉस्टल की समस्या है, रूम रेंट कंट्रोल की मुद्दा है, मेट्रो में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कंसेशन।
रोहित जी, आप हमें ये बताइए कि आप लोग फ्लाउट क्यों कर रहे हैं रूल्स?
देखिए, मैं वही कहना चाहूंगा, जो रूल फ्लॉट कर रहे हैं, जो भी आचार संहिता का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है वो जो इलेक्शन ऑफिसर हैं DA रावत जी, उनके पास हम लोग भी कंप्लेंट लगा के आए हैं। जो भी कैंडिडेट्स कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो पोस्टर्स लगा रहे हैं, चाहे वो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, प्रिंटेड मटेरियल भी है, उन सबके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। और एक और बात कहना चाहूंगा, एक और बात, देखिए जिस तरीके से आज दिल्ली की सरकार पूरी तरीके से पूरे चुनाव में कूद चुकी है और हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के पूरे होर्डिंग आज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के आसपास दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
First of all, the acrimony that the ABVP and the NSUI and the BJP and the Congress respectively have towards us and our organizations and our frontal organizations clearly shows that we have unsettled the traditional positions of the NSUI and the ABVP in student politics. We are challenging the money power and the muscle power that they have. Let me respond. Let me complete.
Okay.
Therefore, and you know, the spectacular debut that CYSS is expecting in these polls, something similar to what the Aam Aadmi Party did in Delhi Assembly elections, is what is actually making them.
I have to ask you one question. Everyone pointed out the fact that you used Talkatore Stadium to have a rock concert for which Arvind Kejriwal went. It seems to be an unusual advantage. It is an advantage.
So, the Talkatore event was not sponsored by the Delhi government. It was not sponsored by the students. The candidates were not announced. It was an event sponsored by the Aam Aadmi Party. The expenditure of that event is there on our website. None of the performers took even a single money. We are open to income tax and representation of People's Act investigations. And in that event, the Chief Minister, the charismatic leader Arvind Kejriwal, who is also the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, was addressing the youth of Delhi with the kind of deliveries or promises that he has done in the last 6 months of his government, whether it's Wi-Fi, whether it's jobs, whether it's education.
Any organization other than NSUI raising important issues of the campus. The basic issues of the campus.
We're not getting into
that. No, but I need to understand from him.
1 second.
He said that Aam Aadmi Party sponsored it. I want to know, we have a parent party too. But parent party doesn't fund us like this.
1 second. We are talking about expenses over here. And the fact is, everybody seems to be spending more than 5,000 per candidate. And Ruby is over here. Tomorrow at Delhi High Court, a case is coming up, a PIL is coming up about the way these elections are being conducted. Ruby, you filed that petition. Yes. Tell us what made you file this petition.
Actually, मेरा मेन पर्पस जो फाइलिंग करने का ये था कि इन जैसे कि ये प्रिंटेड पोस्टर यूज़ कर रही है जो लिंगदो कमेटी का सरासर वायलेशन है। सेकंड थिंग, ये उसमें बड़ी बड़ी कार रैलियाँ निकालते हैं। जैसे मतलब अभी मैंने लास्ट टाइम मैंने कुछ देखा था कि गोयर हॉल के सामने एटलीस्ट 40 गाड़ियाँ थी जो उन्होंने एक ही बंदे की पार्किंग थी, NSUI का कैंडिडेट था वो।
Okay. And of course, cavalcades are banned by the committee.
You can't blame one candidate on a party like this.
What else?
तीसरी चीज़ ये थी कि जो अभी CYSS ने जो रॉक कंसर्ट किया था, वो जो लिंगदो कमेटी का 6.6.4 जो है उसका डायरेक्ट वॉल्यूशन है।